Hello, Tom. This beach is very beautiful today. I love the warm sand.
Hello, Chloe. This is a perfect spot for a summer day. The sun is strong.
We must set up our spot right here near the large rock. The sand is soft here.
I will put the big umbrella into the sand first. We need shade quickly.
Yes, shade is important. The sun is too strong for my skin.
The umbrella is standing up straight. It gives us good dark shade.
Now I will spread out our 2 large beach towels on the ground.
I will put our drinks and books under the umbrella so they stay cool.
Thank you. I brought a large cooler with cold water and juice.
Cold water is essential for a long day at the beach. That was a smart idea.
I also brought 2 good magazines for reading later today.
I will read my book first. I want to finish the final chapter today.
Look, the ocean water is so clear and blue today. It looks inviting.
The water is calling my name. I want to swim very soon.
We should stay here for at least 5 hours today. I love the beach air.
5 hours sounds wonderful. We can swim and relax for a long time.
I need to find my straw hat. My head needs protection from the sun.
Your straw hat is under your chair. I see it right there.
Thank you. My hat is now safely on my head, and I am ready for the sun.
We must walk to the water soon. I am feeling very hot already.
I will put my phone away safely in the backpack first.
That is good. We do not want sand or water on the expensive phone.
I am ready for the ocean now. Let's go test the temperature of the water.
I hope the water is not too cold today. I prefer warm water.
Let's go find out the exact temperature together. Wow, the water feels absolutely perfect on my foot. It is very warm.
Is the water really warm, Chloe? It looks a little bit cold from here.
No, the water is very comfortable. You must come try it quickly.
I will walk slowly towards the ocean. The small waves look very gentle.
The small waves are perfect for beginners. The water is very calm today.
I am nervous about going into the deep part of the water.
The water stays very shallow for a long distance here. It is safe for you.
That is reassuring to hear. I will walk in only up to my waist.
I will swim out to the large floating buoy. It is a good distance for me.
Be careful when you swim out far. Do not swim alone.
I will not go too far. The lifeguard is watching all the swimmers from the high chair.
The lifeguard is very important for safety on this crowded beach.
Do you want to try diving under the water? I have my swimming goggles.
No, I do not have my goggles. I will only swim near the surface today.
The water is very clear today. You can see many small fish near the bottom.
Seeing fish sounds nice. I will look down carefully when I swim.
I will race you to the waterline. Let's run the last few steps.
Okay, I accept the challenge. I will try to run very fast.
You must be careful of the wet sand. It is very slippery here.
I will watch my step and run carefully to the blue water.
Ready, set, go. Let's get into the wonderful ocean water.
The cool water feels so good on my hot skin. It is truly refreshing.
See? I told you the water was perfect and very warm.
We have been swimming for a long time. My skin feels a bit hot now.
My skin feels hot too. We must remember to put on sunscreen every hour.
I forgot to bring my own sunscreen from home. I am not prepared.
That is okay. I brought a large tube of high protection sunscreen.
Thank you. You are always so prepared for everything at the beach.
Please put some sunscreen on my back. I cannot reach that area easily.
I will put a thick layer on your entire back for maximum protection.
The sun is very strong between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. We need high SPF.
I will use the high SPF sunscreen on my face and arms too.
You must put it on your ears and your neck as well. Those areas burn fast.
My ears and neck.
I will remember those two important spots.
The sunscreen smells like coconut oil. I love the summer smell.
It is a nice smell. I prefer this scent to the plain white lotion.
We should reapply the lotion after we swim for another long time.
The water washes the protective lotion off our skin. We must be careful.
Did you remember to bring your sunglasses today? The sand is very bright.
Yes, my sunglasses are under the umbrella. I will wear them now.
Protecting our eyes from the bright sunlight is very important too.
I feel much safer now with the thick layer of sunscreen on my skin.
Good. Now we can relax more under the shade of the umbrella.
I will read one chapter of my book while we relax in the shade.
I will read my magazine. I want to know about the movie stars.
I am feeling hungry for a snack. Do you see the ice cream vendor nearby?
Yes, the colorful ice cream stand is just past the wooden walkway.
Let's go buy some cold ice cream now. I need something sweet and cold.
I will buy a small dark chocolate ice cream cup. I love chocolate flavor.
I want a bright yellow lemon ice cream cone. That flavor is very refreshing.
The lemon ice cream will taste very good on this hot day.
I will pay for the ice cream today. It is my treat for you.
No, I will pay. I bought the cold water earlier. Let me pay for the sweet ice cream.
Okay, thank you, Tom. That is very kind of you to pay for the sweet treat.
I will bring some extra paper napkins from the vendor. Ice cream drips a lot.
That is a smart idea. My hands will get very sticky from the melting cone.
The line for the ice cream stand is very short. We will be back quickly.
I will wait here under the umbrella while you quickly buy the ice cream.
Please watch our bags and our books while I'm gone.
I will guard our spot very carefully. No one will touch our things.
I'm back. Here is your bright yellow lemon ice cream cone.
It looks absolutely delicious. Thank you very much for the sweet treat.
My chocolate cup is perfect. We must eat fast before they melt in the sun.
I will eat the cone quickly. It is starting to drip already onto my hand.
I see a small brown dog walking by. It is looking at our ice cream curiously.
We must not give the dog any sweet ice cream. It is bad for the animals.
You are correct. The dog must only eat healthy dog food. Look out there, Chloe. I see something interesting far away on the ocean.
Where are you looking? I cannot see anything past the blue water.
Look straight ahead to the deep blue line where the water meets the sky.
Oh yes, I see a small white boat now. It is moving very slowly.
It is a very beautiful sailboat. It has large white sails pointing up.
The boat is far away, but the sails are very big. I think it is a fishing boat.
I think it is a small tourist boat. They take people out to swim and snorkel.
I would love to go on a boat trip one day. That would be a fun adventure.
We should plan a short boat trip next summer. We can go together.
That is a wonderful idea. We can explore a small, quiet island nearby.
I wonder if the people on the boat can see us sitting here on the beach.
We are too small for them to see us. They are too far away now.
The sun is making the water around the boat sparkle a lot.
The sparkle on the water is very beautiful. I love the bright reflections.
The boat is starting to turn to the right now. It is moving towards the land.
Maybe they are coming back to the main port to let the people off the boat.
That is probably true. The sun is now moving lower in the sky.
The sailboat is now moving faster because of the wind direction.
The wind is a very powerful force for the large sails.
I wish I knew how to sail a boat. That skill looks very complicated.
Sailing takes a lot of practice and knowledge of the wind.
Tom, let's build a huge sandcastle now near the water line.
Building a sandcastle sounds like a fun, creative activity for us.
I brought a small green bucket and a yellow shovel for building.
That is good, but is the sand too dry right here near the umbrella?
Yes, the sand here is very dry. We need wet sand to build the walls.
We must walk closer to the ocean where the waves make the sand wet.
We can build a tall tower and a thick wall around the sandcastle.
I will dig the deep moat around the castle. The moat must hold water.
That is a great idea. We must protect our sandcastle from the incoming waves.
The ocean waves are the powerful enemy of the sandcastle builder.
We can decorate the walls with small seashells we find on the beach.
I see some small, white shells near the big rock. I will collect them quickly.
I will build the tallest tower first. I will use the green bucket for the shape.
I will help you bring buckets of wet sand from the waterline.
We must work very fast before the sun dries out the building materials.
The sun dries the sand very fast on a hot summer day.
I want our sandcastle to be the tallest one on this whole beach today.
We must make it strong and very beautiful with the small shells.
The small children are watching us build the tall tower now.
They wish they could build a large sandcastle like ours.
We need to keep working. The sandcastle needs more thick walls now.
Chloe, I think the time is moving very fast now. It is getting late.
Yes, the sun is starting to move lower in the sky. It is late afternoon now.
I feel very tired from all the swimming and the hot sun today.
I am tired too. I feel very sleepy from the relaxation.
We should start packing up all our things before the sun goes down.
That is a smart idea. It is difficult to pack everything in the dark.
I will fold the 2 large beach chairs and the umbrella first.
I will shake the sand out of the towels and put them into the backpack.
Our sandcastle is still standing strong. It survived all the small waves.
We did a great job building that strong, tall sandcastle together.
We should take one last photo of the beautiful sandcastle before we leave.
I agree. The photo will be a good memory of our building skills.
I will put the full backpack on my back. It feels a little heavy now.
I will carry the empty cooler and the 2 empty water bottles.
The beach is getting much emptier now. Most people have left already.
I am glad we stayed for a very long day. It was a perfect summer day.
The final swim was the best part of the whole afternoon for me.
I love the way the water feels on my tired body after a long day in the sun.
The sunset colors over the ocean are truly beautiful. Now they are orange and pink.
The sunset is a perfect end to our wonderful day at the beach.
Thank you, Chloe, for bringing the perfect umbrella and the cold water.
Thank you, Tom, for the delicious ice cream and for helping me build the strong castle.
It was the best sandcastle on the entire beach. I am proud of our work.
I'm happy we spent this long summer day together here by the ocean.
Me too. I really enjoyed the peaceful relaxation and the fun swimming time.
We must come back to this same beautiful beach again next weekend.
That is a great plan. We must schedule another long beach day very soon.
I will call you tomorrow to confirm the time for next weekend's trip.
Please call me early tomorrow morning. I look forward to the next plan.
We should walk slowly now. The sand is cool under our feet in the evening.
The cool sands feels very good after walking on the hot sand all day.
I will walk to the car now. I need to take a long, relaxing shower.
I will go home and eat dinner. I am very hungry from the ocean air.
The ocean air always makes me feel very hungry too.
Goodbye, Chloe. Have a good evening and rest well tonight.
Goodbye, Tom. See you next weekend for more beach adventures.
Goodbye. Drive home safely in the evening traffic.